to attach a photo for your Transcendentalism assignment, go to the assignment itself, type your subject in there, whatever you want the subject to be. But for attaching a photo, just go to this circle with the plus sign, click it. First, you should have emailed the photo to yourself and saved it to your computer. I'm working on a standard computer. A laptop will work too. Probably trying to do it from your phone is not going to work, but maybe you know how to do it that way. If you can, that's fine. However you can get the photo part in is fine. But once you click the circle plus sign, click Insert Local Files, you should have saved your picture as a picture once you emailed it to yourself. So you would have to open it in the email and then save it to your pictures, and then you can click whatever photo you have saved, click Open, and then the photo will just appear there. For the rest of the assignment, you can attach that as well, doing the same method. If you have saved it as a Word document or any other type of document, you can save it as a PDF and upload it as well. So caveat, not every document will work. You'll have to save as a PDF, especially if you are on a Mac, but you can also save as a .docs, which is the standard for how we save Word documents using standard Microsoft products, which is what you're using when you use Office 365. However, you'll have to download it to your computer and save it either as a .docs or a PDF. That's for the written text. You could also include your photo in your document if you wanted to. That would also work nicely. So it's kind of the same method, just when you go to upload something in a document, you would save it to the document just by going to Insert, and you could go to Picture from this device, and then find your pictures again, open it, and it should appear. There it is. All right, let me know if you have other questions. Bye.